I did it again, y'all. Another TikTok buy. All right, so this little gadget, you fill it with water and ice. It's got a fan. It's got the air pusher outer. It's got lights. It changes. What? And it's got a timer on it. And it works. This little mini air conditioner is perfect for like little office spaces. I actually have it in my son's bedroom and it's kind of big and I can feel it. I can definitely feel the change. It's cute. It's really cute. I love it. It's pushing out cold air. It's perfect. And it's very inexpensive.